We've got bankruptcy liquidations putting heavy pressure on the crypto market. And what if I told you that you could buy XRP for 50% off? We're also going to talk XRP price action, and I'm roasting right now. Part of it's the pre-burn. The other part is my 1 hour of repeats that I just did. Hola everyone, we're banging and wanging even on Saturdays. Bitcoin sitting at 26,499, ETH 1730. XRP, one of the friends of the show and highlighted today's video, sitting at 48.2, up 3%. XRP moving above from its more recent lows. We're going to talk about XRP price action a little bit later. XLM up 3.5%, above 8 cents. We're starting to see the market claw its way back from the most recent action from the SEC on Binance and Coinbase. But we've got bankruptcies putting pressure on the crypto market. This gives you an idea of what we hear as pennies to the dollar. In the past, you've heard me talk plenty of times about how companies list assets on their books. When they list assets on their books, they're for dollar to dollar. But when companies are in trouble, when they have to do fire sales, when there's bankruptcies, liquidations, they don't get dollar for dollar. Imagine if you're like, you know what, I'm going to buy this home down the street, and you know the owner of the home is going through a nasty divorce. You could probably get the home for cheaper. Why? Because they just need to get rid of it. Now, if that same homeowner isn't going through divorce, isn't going through bankruptcy, doesn't have any problems, and doesn't need to sell, well, you have to pay more for the house. So if there's pressure on a company or a person, you could get it for cheaper. Fire sale. Bankrupt hedge fund 3 Arrows Capital sells NFT collection at a $4.6 million loss at Sotheby's auction for $10.9. I know it doesn't sound like a lot of money, but think of the ratios. Now apply this to Celsius, Luna, Voyager, 3AC, who we're talking about now, FTX. Think of all the cryptos that they hold. Bankruptcy crypto hedge fund 3 Arrows Capital sold an NFT collection for $10.9 million. 3AC had purchased 37 NFTs for $15.5. Essentially, they lost 33%. So they got 66 cents per dollar. They're at a loss. So when these bankruptcies, when these crypto companies have to start liquidating to give it back to the investors, 66 cents a dollar on an NFT collection. Someone overpaid. Now think of all the other bankruptcies out there. I just talked about Celsius here a few days ago that said, guess what? Convert all your altcoins into Bitcoin and Ethereum before we liquidate. That's going to put even more pressure on the crypto market. Let's continue. Bitmart to launch a 50% discount sale for XRP. The XRP 50% off flash sale is scheduled from June 21st to June 22nd. Don't say I didn't tell you. Offering participants a unique chance to acquire XRP a significant discount. To be eligible for this exclusive event, users need to acquire a ticket through Bitmart Launchpad, which acts as the entry point for the participating sale. During the flash sale, participants can purchase XRP at a price 50% lower than the average observed in the last 2 days. This attractive discount allows users to expand their cryptocurrency portfolios or invest in XRP to reduce costs. Look for interesting volume movement. Let's see if Bitmart pops from June 21st to June 22nd. Here's that announcement from Bitmart, by the way, so you know it's not crap. 50% off flash sale. You know what I'm going to do? I'm even going to quote this retweet and say, check it out, everyone. You should check out my Twitter account because I have some of these stories where I break there sooner just because it's easier. Here we go. Check it out, everyone. And boom, we tweeted it. News for everyone. Now let's get into XRP price action. All right. SEC action, along with, yes, we know, Jerome Powell and the Fed, European central banks. The European Central Bank actually hit us with the quarter. Jerome Powell and the Fed didn't. But both central banks said expect more than what we originally planned, and we're going to hit you with more the rest of the week. So you can see negative action on future tightening of cash, right? Crypto is risky. Tighten cash, make it more expensive by raising rates. Crypto goes down. Makes sense, right? Crypto is risky. You only put your money in the riskiest stuff if you have extra money. If you don't, well, then you don't put in the risky stuff. Recent move here. Let's zoom in a little bit. So after we had that nasty candlestick right here that took us to 46.9, we bottomed out 2 times here, just below that 46 cent mark. We had it here, and this is set to the 1 hour time period. So you can see we had 4 hours right about that 46 cent mark. But we have since moved on the way up, which is good. Hopefully this 46 cents here is our floor, and we kind of roll back up to 50 cents. Why? The XRP community fires up at 50 cents. Why? Because the SEC has already rubbed our faces in the mud with the lawsuit. So we're already dealt with the nastiest stuff. So greener things are on the horizon because we already took the beating of it. But I'm going to be looking this weekend for volume. Low volume, like I have on the whiteboard, is the biggest problem in crypto. A stellar partner, WYRE, recently closed its doors. Yeah, they just announced it. Why? Low volume. So even if the SEC themselves isn't crushing crypto, low volume is starting to have its effect. Now, when we zoom out XRP wise and we look at the 1 year time period, because we're looking at Luna UST, you can see we are well above the Luna UST time. In fact, 1 year ago, guys, 30 cents we were at, and we're now sitting at 48. So hopefully this recent move sitting us at 46-cent floor support. Recent, remember, crypto markets work on recent things because it is so volatile. Hopefully this propels us further ahead for this weekend and sets us up for a juicy week ahead. Pennies to the dollar is the name of game in crypto, and right now we're seeing an NFT collection go for 66 cents to the dollar. Now, I saw a Celsius creditor report out there that said people might be getting 25 to 30 cents to the dollar. That's really, really bad, and I want you to think of the billions and billions of dollars in assets held by FTX, Celsius, Voyager, Babel, 3AC, all of those companies out there. We still have to go through it, and we still have to chew through it. It is going to be nasty. Speaking of nasty, I don't feel nasty right now, a little bit jittery because of my pre-burn and the workout I just did. If you want to know what I'm getting ready for and an update on my life outside of crypto, because a bunch of you have been asking, that's this video right here. Check it out. I go heavily in depth along with some training progress photos. Nice. Not looking too bad for celebrating 43 years. You guys know what I got to do. I'm going to stretch one more, maybe two more workouts today. I'll catch you cool cats later.